All right, everybody. It's Sunday night, and I'm going to do this unboxing. It's really in a bag, so unbagging video. I don't know. But anyways, this is kind of cool because I stopped playing with Barbies probably in 1989 when I was in 8th grade-ish. And when I got all of my Barbie stuff that I'd saved from my childhood from my mom's house a couple years back, in the clothing bin, there were these unopened packages of Ken clothes. So I've had them in the bag for a while. So I'm going to open these up and show you guys what was in fashion for male or Ken dolls back in probably around 1989. Now these are not official Mattel clothes. These are clone clothes, as people call them today. But when I was a kid, I took any kind of clothes I could get for my dolls. So yeah, let's go. So here we go. All right, so first of all, there were a couple outfits that I knew I opened. You know, they were also very new in 1989. So this was one of the outfits that I probably opened in 89, but I really don't remember playing with this much. So that's why I think it's like a later order of Ken clothes. And this is 89, so this is what guys kind of were into in 89. I also got this little short set. It said Ride the Tide. So it has shorts and a little matching tank top. And then the last one that was open already was a short set and this tank top. So those are the ones that I don't remember playing with a whole lot, so that's how I know that they came from a later batch when I probably stopped playing with Barbies. Because in 8th grade, I was just too cool, and I had to stop playing with Barbies because I was going to high school, which crushed me, but, you know, I'm back now. So let's start with this package here. And it's still all sealed up. It's never been opened. But it's time to see what 1989 had in store for male dolls. Let's start with the outfit. We have these big shorts. Now, I believe these colorful type long shorts were called jams. And they give us this matching shirt with like the sleeves are coordinated to the pants. Pretty cute. Accessories. Now, here is, I wasn't expecting this. I'm sorry, I'm laughing, but it's a kite. And it matches some of the denim that's in another set that I saw in here. So, you know, Ken just can't go to the beach in the 80s, the late 80s without a kite, I guess. These French fries. I feel like I got tons of these in with my play sets. I have 4 of them upstairs in my restaurant scene. So these French fries were big. This is new. I don't remember in the 80s ever getting cups like this. But this is pretty neat. I like that one. Now, to me, I think this is supposed to be a Frisbee. It's kind of large scale. So I feel like I have a couple other of these things. But I think I use them as plates instead. Because if you imagine a Ken's hand, probably like my finger, you know, it's a little bit big. And then, of course, you can't go to the beach in 89 without a tennis racket. And then all of the sneakers that come with these sets, I've noticed, are like these little tiny white generic sneakers. And they remind me of like the sneakers and stuff that came like in the 60s. But yeah, that's one set. Let's open this one here. See what we got here. All right, a lot in this bag. Let's see what we got here. All right, so first of all, it looks like a beach towel because it's terry cloth, smooth on the other side. And there's a psychedelic kind of like butterfly paper sticker on the corner. Okay. And we get a duffel bag, white and pink, because guys can do pink too, 89. So yeah, vinyl duffel bag. I'm surprised this vinyl held up this long because we all know how vinyl does from the 80s. So here is a little tank top, sleeveless tank top. There are a pair of shorts with little geometric patterns on them. Trying to unfold them here. It looks like they're tucked up. So they're a little bit longer. And there seems to be a hoodie that brings it all together. So you got the hoodie, the yellow shirt, and the shorts. I mean, that's pretty styling. Now this, I have no idea what this circular object is supposed to be. I don't think it's supposed to be a frisbee. And yeah, I don't know what this is. It's like a pancake or something, but I don't think it's supposed to be that. I don't know what that is, but they threw it in there. We get the plain white sneakers, and we get this. Ooh, there's a label, thank God, because I would never have noticed that this is supposed to be suntan lotion. So yeah, back in 89, we were starting the whole protect your skin craze. Here is a third bag out of 4. And these colors are bright, let me tell you. So first of all, you can't be a guy in 89 without a gold cheerleading megaphone, right? So yeah, talk about random, but yep, here we go, gold megaphone. You gotta have your camera if you're gonna have your gold megaphone with you, right? We get the, let's see, a big vinyl duffel bag with all the coordinating symbols on it. And then we get this windbreaker-like jacket. Whoa, wasn't expecting these, but I love them. These are bright orange. I'm looking through my camera, they kind of look like apricot, but they are not. These are like construction orange in real life, or hunter orange. And oh snap, I wasn't ready for this. Pro Racer down the side and the checkered flag. Okay, just stepped it up here, folks. And we are not getting the standard. We're getting manly man shoes here. We're getting cleats, the 2-stripe cleats here to go with the Pro Racer outfit. So this one was very odd. We got racing, windbreaker, duffel bag. We got cleats and a megaphone and a camera. But yeah, I'm digging. I love these pants though. I cannot wait to put these on a Ken doll. And then there wouldn't be a set complete in the 80s without some formal wear, right? So let's see what formal wear was happening in 1989. All right, we got the one-piece baby blue one already attached baby blue bow tie with the velveteen pink vest. Bam. And we got the matching white satin jacket with the velveteen lapel coordinating with the blue corsage. Don't forget the ladies, because these flowers were everywhere in clone doll fashion sets. A little bit of lace, because you can't have 80s without lace, right? And you think you're going to get dress shoes with this? No, 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 no. We are going straight to the standard white basic sneaks. Because you can't be too cool in the 80s unless you're wearing sneakers with your formal wear. All right, so I love all of these outfits. I think they are awesome. I think my favorite has to be these Hunter orange, construction orange, pro racer, windbreaker pants. My favorite. All right, guys. So thanks for joining me. Thank you for going down memory lane with me. These are from 80, I'm guessing around 89, because they were still in the package. So don't be jelly that you don't have these Hunter Orange Pro Racer pants for your Ken doll. All right, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. They're coming. They're in the works. You're going to love them. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. See you guys soon. Bye, everybody.